Do you usually choose the tools you know because you're comfortable with them? What if those are not the best tools for the job? Especially when it comes to Google Apps, many of us stick with what we know, like Gmail and Meet, but we might be missing out on a whole world of productivity. Today, I want to show you the crucial difference between communication tools and collaboration tools in Google, and how using the right apps for the job at hand can transform your workflows. So, what's the difference? Communication tools are all about exchanging information. Think of it as getting a message from point A to point B. Collaboration tools, on the other hand, are about working together to create, build, and manage projects and products. Collaboration is about making teamwork seamless and efficient. Let's start with communication apps, with which you are likely familiar. Google offers some fantastic tools for staying in touch. Gmail is used to send and receive emails and attachments, of course. Google Voice and Text Message is used for phone calls and text messages, keeping you connected on the go. Google Meet is for video conferencing and recording virtual meetings. And Google Chat is great for quick, direct messages, such as quick questions and updates. These tools are all great for interaction and keeping the lines of communication open, but they are not always ideal for collaboration. Google's collaboration tools go beyond just talking and emailing. They help us work together efficiently, and this is where things get really powerful. In Google Calendar, you can use the Meet With feature to see when team members are available and schedule meetings accordingly without even bothering them via email first. Then you can attach files and a description or agenda to the Meet, and even allow others to edit the event, allowing everyone to bring their ideas to the table, making it a truly collaborative meeting. Chat spaces are group chats on steroids. Not only can you name a chat to be about a specific topic, so you can find it later, but you can also share files and manage tasks regarding that topic all in one chat, therefore using it as a project hub. Google Groups is a very versatile tool with 4 different ways to use it: email lists, web forums, Q&A forums, and collaborative inboxes. Many business owners forget about using Google Groups as a collaborative inbox, although it is great for assigning incoming emails and tasks to specific team members and managing topics together. It is incredibly flexible. By using comments in Docs and Sheets, you can leave feedback, ask questions, and have discussions about specific sentences or cells right within your Docs and Sheets. And those comments stay within the file itself. So there's no more endless email threads referring to attachments that may or may not be there. Comments inside of Docs and Sheets keep all the collaboration contained within the file itself. Google Tasks are a very powerful tool. One way to use tasks is to write project to-do lists within Google Docs using checklists, and then assigning tasks to those people within your Google Workspace. Then, when they check the task off their list, it updates the doc checklist automatically. Google Keep is great for capturing ideas, notes, photos, drawings, and reminders. Sharing these digital sticky notes makes them collaborative, which is great for brainstorming or a different type of list making. Google Classroom is an interactive platform for delivering resources and videos, having community discussions, and giving assignments when needed. This makes Classroom perfect for team onboarding, team training, or offering online course content. Do you see the difference in these apps? Communication apps help you exchange information, while collaboration apps are about actively working together in the app to move projects forward. By shifting your thought process to use Google's collaborative features and apps, you're not just talking about the work, you're actually doing the work together more effectively with fewer emails and fewer lengthy meetings. So, are you ready to take your productivity to the next level? To learn more about each of these collaborative apps and how to use them to their fullest potential, I invite you to join our Setup Squad or Google Groupies memberships. In these communities, we dive deep into each of these tools, share best practices, and help you use the best app for the job. Links to both memberships are in the description below. Click those links to join our amazing communities, and let's unlock the full power of your Google Apps together. I look forward to helping you succeed.